Meaning of gorse.
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 Gorse. Gorse is a type of thorny evergreen shrub found in parts of Europe, North Africa, and Asia. It is known for its bright yellow flowers that bloom from late winter to early summer and its ability to grow in poor quality soil. Gorse is sometimes used for landscaping and erosion control, but it can also be invasive and difficult to remove once established. In folklore and mythology, gorse is associated with protection, fertility, and resilience. Overall, gorse is a hardy and versatile plant that has both practical and symbolic significance.